everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. Today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp and cheese okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is Japanese savory pancakes. Okonomi means whatever you like and yaki means to cook. So whatever you like, cook. That's okonomiyaki. And the most popular topping for okonomiyaki is slice of bacon and tempura bits. But the topping for okonomiyaki can be anything you like. And today we are using shrimp and cheese for the topping. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients to make 2 okonomiyaki or 2 pancakes. I have 100 gram of all-purpose flour, 20 gram of potato starch, which you can replace with cornstarch, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon instant Japanese soup stock, 1 teaspoon sugar, pinch of salt, 1 egg, 1/4 cabbage, about half a cup cheese, pizza cheese, some shrimps, and spring onion, green onion. You can replace green onion with chive if you like. So these are the ingredients. You also need okonomiyaki sauce, Japanese mayonnaise, katsuobushi, dried fish flakes, and aonori, dried seaweed powder to garnish your okonomiyaki. Let's start cutting the vegetable. Cut the core off of your cabbage. And you finely chop this up into little pieces to make thin slices, thin strips first. Then turn it around and chop it into little pieces. Put it in a large bowl and put it aside. And then green onion. Cut the bottom off just a little bit and cut it in half. Put them together, cut them in half, put them together, and then you slice it thinly. Put it in a little plate or bowl and put it aside. Now I'm making okonomiyaki batter, so prepare 2 large bowls like this. In one bowl I have 100 gram of all-purpose flour. Let's add 20 gram of potato starch or corn starch, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of instant Japanese soup stock, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 200 milliliter of cold water, and mix it well. When it's roughly mixed, you add an egg. Keep mixing until it's nice and smooth. And today I'm making 2 pancakes, so I'm adding half of this okonomiyaki batter into the other bowl. And let's share this cabbage into these bowls equally. Then spring onion or green onion. And this pizza cheese. Now I'm cutting this shrimp into 3 pieces. If your shrimp is bigger, you can cut it into 4 or 5. If your shrimp is smaller than this, you can just cut it into half. Let's share shrimp equally into those bowls. Now we have all the ingredients in each bowl, so I'm going to mix it using this spoon and make sure everything in the bowl is coated with the okonomiyaki batter at the bottom of the bowl. So you kind of fold it in, fold it in. Now it's time to cook, so heat up vegetable oil in a large skillet like this. And when the skillet is hot, you add everything in one bowl all at once into the skillet. And using spatula, try to form pancake shape. About 15 centimeter diameter, 3 centimeter thick. Put it on and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now, it's been cooked for about 4 or 5 minutes, so I'm checking the bottom. Take the lid off and sneak peek the bottom of the pancake. And when it's nice golden brown, flip it over. If you try to flip it over too early, your pancake will fall apart. 2 spatula underneath. Like this, and flip it over towards you. Put the lid back on and cook the bottom side for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now the bottom side has been cooked for 4 to 5 minutes, so I'm checking the bottom. Sneak peek. Yeah, looking good. And this top side is kind of soft because I cooked it with the lid on, and I want to make it back to crispy, so let's flip it over one more time. To the spatula, put it underneath, flip it over towards you. This is just to make it back to crispy, so you just need to cook it about 1 minute or so. Okay, let's take it out on a plate. The pancake is ready, so let's finish it up using some sauce and toppings. So I'm putting this okonomiyaki sauce on top of the pancake, generous amount. Like this. And then Japanese mayonnaise. Let's do this. This is pretty already, but to make it a little bit prettier, let's do like this. Some katsuobushi, fish flakes on top, and aonori, seaweed powder on top. And your okonomiyaki is ready. And you do the same for the other bowl to make 2 pancakes, 2 okonomiyaki. Okay, this is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy cooking and eating delicious shrimp and cheese okonomiyaki. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. See you in next video. Bye!